Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a portal on Dress to Impress. So select the sprinklers and select the extended toggle here, and you're going to want to be near like a makeup chair. Go to settings and enable shift lock switch. Then you're going to select the photo icon, close it, and select it again, close it. Press shift on your keyboard, press E, and just jump. And as you can see, you would have created like a circle portal. But if you want it to be on the ground, you're going to go to the angel pose, like the angel pose on Winter Pose Pack. Select it and press shift. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.